Well, hey y'all, I'm going to try something different today for our New Year's Day meal. The first year I did this with y'all, honest to Pete, I made collards. I don't like collards. Mother used to cook them and I didn't like them then and I don't like them now. And there's no way that you can fix them that I would like them at all. So last year I made a spinach salad and that was delicious. And this year we're going to try Brussels sprouts as our green. I don't like Brussels sprouts. And so why, pray tell, Kimmy, are you doing them? Because since I started this cooking show, when I go to a restaurant and they have something that I typically don't care for, I'll order it. And that little whole one, he looks fine. And so we were at the Longhorn and I thought, if anybody can fix Brussels sprouts, it would be Larapin. It's got to be these Longhorn people. Oh my goodness. Y'all, they were the best thing I have ever eaten. And I could honestly Pete go in there and just order a plate, a little bowl of these Brussels sprouts and be a happy camper. It's the most delicious things I've ever seen. So I found Country Boy Cooking with Marshall had a glazed Brussels sprouts on his page and I thought, hey, that's what we're going to do. So shout out to Marshall. Okay, now you can save these if you want to put those in a stock. If you're making some vegetable broth, you can put these in your bag that's got all your other produce these is waiting for another home. And I will put this aside. I'll be right back. Okay, so what Marshall did then, he used oil, and I'm just going to use my favorite avocado oil. I'm just going to drizzle it on just like that. I always put a paper towel rubber banded around it so it keeps it from getting everywhere. And I'm going to add just a little bit of black pepper, not a whole lot. Don't trip. Don't add just a whole bunch. Unless you like a whole bunch, and then you do you, boo. And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Alrighty, now let's give these a toss with my noisy spoon. Sorry about that. Get everybody kind of incorporated. And I've got a big old cookie sheet in the oven at 400 and it's getting piping hot. And so I'm going to get that out and I'm going to get back together and we'll deal with that. So I'll see you back here in just a minute. Okay, y'all, this thing is screaming hot. So I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of duck fat. No, it does not taste like duck at all. But let me read the ingredients. They're long and lengthy. Duck fat. No preservatives, no nothing like that. All right, so I'm just going to pour these. Here's sizzle. And I'm just going to put the cut side down here. And Marshall says don't let them touch each other. So we are going to do that. Get these all spread around here. I have high hopes because everything that Marshall and his mama have ever done have always looked delicious. So you know it's going to be good. Okay? Everybody invited to the party. Now you turn loose of that one. All right, now Marshall says 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, and then you take them out and you flip them. So that is what we are going to do. How about that? Alrighty? Okay, is that everybody kind of sort of? Okay, whoop, there's one, missed one. Missed two. Keep me on my toes, y'all. Okay, everybody? Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the oven and we will flip this in about 15-20 minutes. So, see you back in a little bit. Okay, let's put together this glaze that is gonna make this oh so good. So Marshall says you want 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Use the best one that you have. Measure out 1/4 cup. And if you haven't tried fresh strawberries dipped in balsamic vinegar, y'all, you are missing a lick. You absolutely are. Okay, so we're going to eyeball about 2 tablespoons of honey. And this is a local honey. That looks like 1. And that looks like 2. There we go. Alrighty, and then he says use 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, not garlic salt or onion salt. We've already salted the sprouts, so it'll be okay. So there we go. Use my little coffee mixer upper thingy do. See how it works in here. We don't like a one-trick pony, do we? Absolutely not. All the way down there on the bottom, get all that mixed up and incorporated. Okay, let's see what we think about this. Oh boy. No, that is good. That is good stuff right there. Let me tell you one thing. Alrighty, now, all we gotta do is wait on the sprouts, and then we'll dose them up with this, and it'll be delicious. So, see you back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, they were in there about 20 minutes, and I'm just gonna turn them all over. Oh boy, that's brown. That looks good. Oh boy, this is gonna be delicious. Some of these were cut in quarters. I'm gonna try to get the other raw side down. There we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna turn these over and put those back in there. Look here. There's a leaf that fell off. They're pretty doggone good right there. Absolutely. All right, y'all. I'll see you when these are ready to put the yummy stuff on it. So, see you back at 20 minutes or so. All right, y'all. They cooked another 15 minutes, and I heated up this balsamic concoction just a little bit in the microwave because I wanted it to not cool off these Brussels sprouts. So let's just give these a toss here real quick. I can tell you this, I have high hopes that I am going to like these. And my mother would roll over in her grave to see me eat something green. Hey, Carol, Sugar Rebel too. This one's for you too, darling. Yeah, we had a talk behind the scenes one day. She said, what do you eat that's green? Sweet pickles. So let's get us a bite of here. Let's see what we think. Let's see. That's good. Y'all, that is good. Marshall, good job, my man. These are really good. Y'all will love these. If you have somebody in your house that doesn't care for the sprout, do this to them, I promise. You will change their mind. That is good. All right, y'all. Winter chicken dinner. 2 thumbs up. I will tell you, they're crispy on the outside, but they're real creamy on the inside. And that weird bleh taste that I never could stand, I don't know where it went. It went poof, it's gone. It's very good. All right, y'all. I'm eating now the bowl. Okay, who's going to be first one that calls me out on that? It's just me and my husband. Y'all, please don't have a cow. I'll see you next time. Y'all go do something fun.